हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। माय नेम इज़ ज्ञानंद फ्रॉम इंग्लिश विद विलेज ब्लॉग। दोस्तों, आज मैं एक सिंपल स्टोरी बोलूँगा। वो इंग्लिश में मैं बोलूँगा। आप लोगों को समझना है कि मैं कैसे कैसे सेंटेंसेस यूज कर रहा हूँ, कैसे कैसे कनेक्टर यूज कर रहा हूँ। अगर आपको थिंकिंग की प्रॉब्लम है और ये जानने की प्रॉब्लम है कि कैसे लोग कनेक्ट कर लेते हैं एक सेंटेंस से दूसरे सेंटेंस में, और कैसे लोग सोच पाते हैं स्टोरी बोलने के लिए, आज मैं एक स्टोरी बोलने जा रहा हूँ। एंड मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ कि मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है स्टोरी के बारे में। हाँ, मैं एक टॉपिक लूँगा जिस पे बोलने लगूँगा, बस ये है। तो ऐसे आप भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो। कोई भी एक टॉपिक ले लो, जैसे कि कल रात में कुत्ते भौंक रहे थे, इस पे बोलने लगो। कल मेरे भाई ने मुझे एक थप्पड़ मार दिया, उस पे बोलने लगो। ये हैं टॉपिक आपके। ऐसे तरीके से ना बहुत सारे टॉपिक बना सकते हो। ठीक है, आज मैं आपको एक स्टोरी बताऊंगा। सपोज करो एक घर है जिसमें मॉम एंड डैड हैं। उनके दोनों बेटे शहर में रहते हैं। अब जैसे कि अब जैसे मॉम को कैंसर है। अब उनके इलाज के लिए पैसों की ज़रूरत है। तो नाउ अब डैड कॉल करेंगे अपने बेटों को कि यहाँ आओ और हमारी मदद करो, क्योंकि आपके मॉम को कैंसर है। सो दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टोरी आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक। जस्ट लिसन एंड just watch and understand how I am going to speak. So let's start, guys. So guys, long time ago there was a family. In that family, like four people lived: mom, dad, and their two sons. Both two sons, they got married and they settled in city. They started earning money there. And in village area, only mom and dad they lived. One day, when dad found that mom has cancer disease, so he got absolutely shocked, and he called his elder son, and he said that, son, now your mom has a cancer disease, and doctor said to us, in order to get the treatment done, you need 10 lakh rupees. So please come here and come here with money and just help us. Then elder son said, oh dad, oh, oh my god, really mom has a cancer disease? Dad said yes. Then dad said, you have to come here within 2 or 3 days and send 10 lakh rupees. Then his elder son denied, saying that, dad, uh, nowadays I don't have money. My company is not, my company has not been giving me my salary for 3 months. So do one thing, why don't you call Karan, because he can give you money, also he can help you. Then father said, oh son, why are you saying this? You are my elder son and you are earning lots of money, I know. So why can't you help us? Now we depend on you. Then son said, oh dad, how can I make you understand? Here I don't have money. Even I didn't pay my son's fee of the college. Then dad said, but you have to arrange, because it's just because of your mom. Your mom has been your mom has this disease, so you must think anything. But elder son said, dad, I'm so sorry. uh, I can't come there because I have lots of pressure from my company, and I don't have money, please. Then he hung up the call. Then father got totally like sad, and he started thinking, what should I do now? How can I arrange money? Then he thought, okay, let me call my younger son. Then he called his younger son, and he said to his younger son, son, actually your mom has cancer disease, so for that treatment we need 10 lakh rupees. So please come and come along with money, and we have to get her operation done. Then son said, oh my god, of course, I will help you dad, don't worry. But I can't arrange 10 lakh rupees, and I will give you, yes, I will give you 5 lakh rupees, because I have 5 lakh rupees, and apart from this I don't have money. And also you can call. Then dad said, son, I called him, but he hung up my call, saying that I don't have money and I can't come. because of his job. Then I said, oh my god, I think just because of I think, oh my god, now he is going, he doesn't have relation to us. How can he do this? Then father said, yes, I think he is not going to come and he is not going to send any kind of money. Then son said, okay, don't worry dad, I will borrow some money, then I will help. Then younger son came, and then he admitted his mom, and finally that operation was success and his mom got well. And then dad revealed that, I have lots of money, but then son then dad revealed that now uh, I'm going to write all my wealth under your name, because I will not give any single penny to my elder son. Then younger son said, no dad, you don't need to give me anything. Dad said, no, 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 of course uh, I'm going to give you all the thing that I have. Then dad gave all the thing to him. Then son started living with his parents happily. And as soon as his elder son got to know that my father sold all the field, and he gave all the thing, and he called his younger son and he said, okay, how much money did you uh, how much money were you given by parents? Then younger son said, why, what is your concern? He said, what is my concern? I am also the part of this family. I am also, I have right to take half of the money from our this family. Then son said, oh, where were you that time when parents needed you and parent needed money? He said, that time I didn't have money, that time I couldn't help because of my job. Then I said, then younger son said, okay, now you didn't help. Now when, as soon as you got to know that parents give me lots of money and you called me, now just bugger off from here. And yes, I know that you are my elder brother, I should respect you, but I think you don't deserve to uh, you don't deserve to be respected. So just go from here, I will never ever call you, I'm going to forget you forever, and please don't call me again. Just be with your wife, be with your greedy wife. And I don't need such kind of brother in my life who like can't help in bad situation. Then younger son hung up the call. So guys, in order to tell you how to become fluent English, you have to do this: choose topic and start speaking. Most of the time I spoke what? I spoke past tense and present tense, future tense, and some modal verbs. So guys, if you have liked this video, please subscribe. I will totally guide you how to become fluent English guys. Thank you so much. Bye.